Hi, this is Art with OCRV. My good customer Tom Harper here. We're delivering his motorhome back today. So we had refinished his coach complete about 3 years ago and brought it back. He wanted a nice paint job back to factory spec. So we removed all the trim, lamps, awnings, and then painted it base coat, clear coat, back to the factory stripes and colors. And unfortunately, Tom had an incident a few weeks ago and reared into a tree or backed into a tree. So now we're delivering it to him today, and I just wanted to get Tom's view of the shop.
It's really nice to know when you do have something wrong, that you can go places that you get high quality and good service. And even though I live in San Diego area, it's not a big deal to me to come back when I can get this kind of care. I've owned this coach since 2000. It's a 97. So you get to the point where it's old, but it doesn't mean it's not just as good as it was new, particularly when it looks new. And you did a fabulous job 3 years ago. It still looks terrific. I just looked at the repair. You can't even tell it was scratched, and there was a lot of crunching going on in the rear. So I really appreciate what you've done again, second time around. So I hope this is the last time, but if it isn't, I know where to go.
Right, and we help you with service and other needs, and we really appreciate your business. And thanks for coming up from San Diego and giving us the chance to do the complete paint job, which I promised you that you would get the best bang for your buck, and I think you agree with that.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. I get people, they can't tell what year it is.
Yeah.
Because it's old, but they know it looks brand new. So what year is that? I get a lot of people asking me what year that is.
That's great. So you still look good rolling into the park.
Oh, that's great. And that was another issue. See, a lot of RV parks now, if it's over 15 years old, they don't want an old dog sitting in their nice RV park. So I've had to give pictures because it's a 97.
Right.
As soon as I send them a picture, okay, bring it in. So it relieved that issue too that I was starting to have with an older rig.
That's fantastic. Well, we thank you for your business.
Thanks a lot, Art.
You're welcome.
It's been great.